record. So the activity, just figure out it together. Basic math. You should use addition to help you add something. We add something now, plus two like numbers. Like we plus now added something to something else. You have downloaded 16 sounds. Yes, 16 sounds. And you add 29 more. No, you add 29 more. So in total, it's 45 sounds. And then, okay, it's all about mathematics. With addition, you can change the order of the number. 16 plus 29 or 29 plus 16, we can change the order of the numbers. No? And subtraction minus. It's the opposite of addition. No? Addition opposite. You take something away from something else. Okay, we take something away from something. It's we subtract. Okay, 70. With subtraction, you cannot change the order. We cannot change, no? Every like bigger amount should be in the first place. Huh? That's the formula. 70 minus 30 is like it's not the same. 30 minus 70, well, no? So here, multiplication, you already know that you might add 8 4 times. You can also multiply 8 4 times. Okay, now? And it's first down like addition. You don't need to worry about number order. 8 into 4, 4 into 8. We can change the order, no? Like the addition. For division helps you separate things into equal groups. Okay, we want 5 groups, but equals 11 equals to the in a 5 group. Like so, into equal group, we separated the things. No, there are 55 students, and you want to divide them into 5 groups. So we need to divide it by 5 for the 55, the total number, and we would like to get into 5 groups. So we are divided by 5. So it's 11 students in each group. Like it's like that. To take your answer, just multiply 11 into 5. So is it correct or no? We can check it again by like multiply with the number 5 now. So it's got 11 into 5, so 55 is got the real one, but not the original to the one numbers. So you must not change the order of the numbers. 5 into 55 လို့လို့မရဘူးပေါ့နော် I think it's not a big problem for you to do. When you teach the math at your school, they are talking like in English, right? Isn't it? In your school, like in your classroom, do the teacher teach you in English or just in Burmese?
No, teacher.
Hello, သင်ချသင်အင်္ဂလိပ်လိုပြောတင်တာလားပမာလိုတင်တာလား
မြန်မာလိုသင်တာ
မြန်မာလိုပဲ
Yeah. Oh.
Yes.
Sometimes I learn English
Yeah, sometimes you learn English.
because I'm learning Olympiad.
Yeah. Like some like international school or like some they use in English, no? So that's why. Here's only the basic like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These 4 things are the basic maths. So you don't need to worry. But I think these are really pretty easy for you. But you just need to know the number, the like how to call plus, how to call minus, no? Subtraction in a word. ဟုတ်ပြီနော်ကိုကစာသားလေးလိုပဲသိဖို့ဒါလေးကနည်းနည်းလေးပဲမှတ်ရမှာပေါ့နော်အရင်ကြီးကိုကသင်ချလိုမျိုးကြီးသူတို့အကြီးတင်တာမဟုတ်ဘူးပေါ့လေဒီတိုင်းလေးပဲတင်တာဆိုတော့အခေါ်ဝေါ်လေးတွေလောက်ပဲကိုက focus လေးလောက် okay
teacher မြင်းချင်းမှာမြင်းဆောင်ချက်ထားတာအဲ့ဒါဘယ်လိုပြောလဲ
it's not equal to not equal ပေါ့နော်သူကမညီဘူးလို့ပြောချင်တာပေါ့နော် is equal to if we cancel the equal the so it's not equal to ပေါ့နော် 55အစား9ရဲ့9ကို55နဲ့စတာရဲ့က is not equal to မညီဘူးပေါ့နော်မညီတာကိုပြောချင်တာဘယ်လို8 into 4 4 into 8ဘယ်လိုမြောက်မြောက် they get the same answer okay နော်8 into 4 8 into 4 32 right so it's 32 and so 4 into 8 is also 32 so they are equal to okay 8 into 4 is equal to 4 into 8 4 into 8 is equal to 8 into 4 like that but 55 divided by 5 is not equal to 5 divided by 55 အဲ့လိုမျိုး like အပြန်အလှန်လေးတွေတော့အဲ့လိုပြောချင်တာပေါ့နော် so exercise လေးလည်းသွားကြည့်မယ် when you use addition can you change the order of the numbers is it true or false
True.
is it you can change or you cannot change shall we just ask like yes or no questions like that or when you use addition can you change the order of the number yes or no
Yes.
Yes.
yes I can oh, yes you can change yeah it's yes and then what's the opposite of addition
Subtraction.
subtraction Ravina, how do you spell subtraction
SUBTRCTI1.
okay SUBTRCTI1 subtraction minus bonus and number 3 what's the first way to add the same number many times
Multiplication.
yeah multiplication the first way no instead of like addition 1 by 1 by 1 by 1အကုန်လုံးစုပြီးရော10လုံးလောက်ပေါင်းနေမယ်ဆို10နဲ့မြောက်လိုက်တာရဲ့သူအဲ့လိုမျိုးပေါ့ and then what helps you separate something into equal group
Division.
division yeah so these are things like that so answer the word problem shall we solve the problem math so who would like to read number 1 I would like to invite Ruby
Yes, teacher. Matt had a birthday party. He invited 13 friends from school. His cousin, his 3 older sisters, and his parents. Everyone came. How many people were at Matt's birthday?
so what's the answer he invited 13 friends 13 first 13 and then his 3 older sisters and his parents or his second son I will write down here for you you can write down in your book and you can say the answer firstly how many numbers 13
24.
I don't.
13 and then 6 no
30.
so we just do it together 6 and
3.
and then his parents too
And then 2.
is that 24
Yes.
yeah it's 24 huh? okay good job and number 2 is Takumi you can read
Yes. As Marty party, his parents and 3 of his cousins did not give him the present. All the other people at the party gave him the presents. How many presents did Mother receive?
But his parents and 3 of his cousins. Why people didn't give Mona? His parents and 3 of his cousins, 3 and 2 or 5. The 5 people didn't give him present. All the other people at the party give him a present. So how do you think? What's the total number? 19 is 19 now? 24. Is it the same with you guys? Okay, his parents 2 people, no? 3 of his counting is 3, no? 5 people. In total, 5 people didn't give him present, no? 5 ယောက်က present 5ခုကမရဘူးပေါ့နော် all the other people 13 people from his school and people from his sick counting okay နော်
other people ကဘယ်နှစ်ယောက်ရှိလဲမပြီးတာဘူး
other people ကတခြားလူကဒီမှာဆိုရင်13ယောက်ကကျောင်းက13ယောက်ကကျောင်းဝဲရှိမယ်6ယောက်က counting 6ယောက်ရှိမယ်3 older sister 3 of his counting ပေါ့နော်3ကိုနည်းနည်းလေးဖြိုးလိုက်မယ်နော်3 of his counting ဆိုတာဒီ6ယောက် his 6 counting နဲ့3ကိုသူနှုတ်လိုက်တာနေမှာဒါပေမဲ့6 counting ဆိုရင်3ယောက်ကိုနည်းနည်းနှုတ်လိုက်မယ်6က3ပဲကျန်မယ်ကွာအဲ့ပြီးတော့မိဘနဲ့အဲ့3ယောက်နဲ့နှုတ်ရအနည်းဆုံးကတော့9ယောက်ပဲ9ယောက်ကိုချက်လို့စုစုပေါင်း24ရှိရမလား24တဲကအဲ့ဒီ9ကိုမိုင်းနဲ့နှုတ်လိုက်မယ်ဆိုရင်သူရတဲ့လက်ဆောင်က19ခုရမှာပေါ့လေ
ဟုတ်ကဲ့
အဓိကတခြားလို့သိကျင်တာမပေးတဲ့လူကြီးတော့က9ယောက်စုစုပေါင်းရှိတာ24ယောက်ထဲက9ယောက်ကမပေးဘူးဆိုအဲ့9ယောက်ကို6တော့နှုတ်ပလိုက်တာတယောက်ကိုလက်ဆောင်တစ်ခုရမယ်ဆိုရင်သူက19ခုရမှာအဲ့မဲ့အဲ့9ခုကမရအောင်9ခုကအဲ့9ယောက်ကမပေးလို့မရတာပေါ့လေတခြားလို့we can know this like that ခြားလိုမျိုးမှတ်လို့ရမယ် are you the same with me is that are you agree with me yes how about Pooh and Ruby are you agree with me is it the same or not with your answer Pooh and Ruby are the same or not are you agree with me channel သဘောတူလား
Yes, sure.
okay thank you and number 3 go Pooh ပြောလိုက်မယ်နော်
At Matt's party, they played volleyball. Matt's mother couldn't play. There were 4 teams, red, blue, yellow, and green. How many people were on each team?
Okay, Matt's party ma they play volleyball ကစားကြတယ် Matt's mother couldn't play Matt's မိအားမကစားနိုင်ဘူး There were 4 teams အတင်းလေးသိရှိရ red, blue, yellow, and green ပေါ့နော် How many people were on each team စုစုပေါင်း24ယောက်ရှိရယ်အမေကမကစားနိုင်ဘူးဆိုတော့23ယောက်ပဲရှိတော့မယ်23ပဲရှိတော့မှာဟိုမှာ14ပေါ့နော် so how many people were on each team အတင်းတစ်တင်းမှာလူဘယ်နှယောက်ပါမလဲလို့ပြောချင်တာအဲ့ဆိုရင်4နဲ့သူကဘာလုပ်မယ်ချင်တော့စားမယ်ပေါ့နော်4 5 24 6 24ယောက်ဆိုရင်တော့ကွက်တီပဲနော်24ယောက်ဆိုရင်တော့တတင်းကို4 5 24 6 ယောက်ပါမယ်ပေါ့နော်အခုကကြတော့9ယောက်ကအနည်းဆုံး4 5 6 24တတင်းကတော့လူယော့နေမှာနော် Okay we have 4 4 3ခွက်4သိန်းရှိပါလို့ပြောနော်4သိန်း6 4 24သူက4သိန်းမဲ့ခွဲခိုင်းတာ
As far about 24ယောက်ရှိချင်
ဟုတ်တယ်4ယောက်ကြီးဖြစ်နေမှာနော်
တယောက်ရော
5နဲ့5 4 20 6နဲ့4သိန်းရှိမှဆိုရင်6ယောက်မြောက်ခိုင်းတာလားဆိုင်ရအဲ့ဆက် sorry
စားမှာချင်
တောင်းရမှာ စားရမှာ
As about 24ယောက်ထင်တယ်သူ့အမေမပါပဲ
Nhưng mà người bài thế mà đeo vô mà.
ဟုတ်တယ်ဒီထဲမှာတရားရမယ် maths အပါဝင်မှာ24ဖြစ်သွားမှာနော် sorry actually it's 25 နော် maths ရောပါမယ်ဆိုရင်တော့25 maths မပါဘူးဆိုရင်24 24ကိုအတင်းကဘယ်နဲ့တင်းလဲဆိုတော့ကိုစားမယ် 4နဲ့စားမယ်အဲ့ဆိုရင်တည်င်းကို6ရောက်စီရှိမယ်နော်6 4 6 4 24တည်င်းကို6ရောက်စီရှိမယ်that's the correct answer နော်6ရောက်စီဆိုရင်အနီးက6ရောက် blue 6ရောက် yellow 6ရောက် green 6ရောက်နော်အဲ့ဆိုရင်6 4 4 24ရဆိုကွက်တီပဲနော် so number 4 Ruby you can read maths father
Yes, teacher. Matt's father cooked 3 pieces of chicken for each person at the party. How many pieces did he cook? The answer is 72 pieces.
32
I just 24 times 3.
Okay, maths father cooked 3 pieces of chicken for each person at the party. So 24 into. So it's about, in today it's 25 people, right? Including maths.
20.
24.
24 people or 25?
24.
အဲ့ဆိုမက်ကပါတီလောက်တယ်ပေါ့နော်သူတငယ်ချင်းတွေဖိတ်တာက73ယောက်ကောင်းစင်က16ယောက်3 older sister 3ယောက်အမေနဲ့အဖေက2ယောက်ဆရာအဲ့ခါမှာမက်ကိုရေးမတွက်ထားမရေးတွက်ထားအောင်နော်မက်ပါမယ်ဆိုရင် match ပိုင်းဆရာ25ထင်တယ်
ဟုတ်ပါ
တယောက်ကို3ခုဆိုရင်25ယောက်ဆိုရင်ဘယ်လောက်လဲပေါ့နော်ဆိုရှာရုက25ကို3နဲ့ည
75.
ဟုတ်တယ်75 355 3နဲ့6ခုနော်ကြောက်မက်ပါထည့်လိုက်နော်9ယောက်25ယောက်ဖြစ်သွားပါပြီ Okay that's the mathematics okay good job and talk about the word problems what kind of math should you use for the first problem it's addition ပေါ့နော်အော်သူတခါလေးပေါင်းလိုက်တာနော် math ကိုပါပေါင်းပြီး25လို့သူတခါလေးလုပ်လိုက်တာ shall we just skip that one what about you ask an answer how many school lunches do you eat in 1 month okay when you go to the school you have to make the lunch box how many times you eat in 1 month what kind of math did you use so 1 day for 1 lunch box school days like in 1 month okay that's the like word I will give you the homework for you let's say you go to school and you bring the lunch box no even it's not real no ချာလို့အမှန်မဟုတ်လေဒါလေးကိုတင်ရှာသွားတယ်လို့လေးပဲတွက်လိုက်မယ်နော်
Yes teacher
ဒီမှာဆိုရင်ချာတို့ကရှင်းပြလိုက်မယ် school lunch box ကိုတလားမှာဆိုရင်ကိုကဘယ်နှစ်ချိန်လောက်ကိုကစားလေးရှိလဲပေါ့နော်ဟုတ်ပြီ how many days you go to school in 1 month
twice
တလားမှာချာတို့က4ပတ်ရှိရယ်4ပတ်မှာစနေတနင်္ဂနွေကိုချာတို့ကဖယ်လိုက်မယ်ပေါ့နော် we remove Saturday and Sunday weekends so we just left 20 right ငါလေးဒီ20ပေါ့နော် so we added 5 for 5 times နော် for 4 times ပေါ့နော်ချာတို့က we fight for 5 5 mean the every weekdays we have 5 days right 5 so 5 it's for like for 4 weeks 4 weeks ဆိုတော့ချာတို့က5 into 4လုပ်လို့လည်းရတယ်5 plus 4 times ပေါ့နော်အဲ့လိုလည်းလုပ်လို့ရတယ်5ကို5ကပေါင်းလိုက်ရတယ်4နဲ့မြောက်လည်းရတယ် so it's the thing that I think you can. It's about only 3 questions, no? Okay, just think about it and do it. Homework, and then you can use whatever whatever way you can use addition or multiplication or like things like that. For you, it's up to you. Your calculation is up to you. So it's homework. Check up unit 1 and 2. So it's like reviewing, selecting, which and the type takes crap. So do you know the word wedge?
What's
Here's wedge. What is the word? What's the meaning of wedge?
Watch is
Wedge ka balu dalhin pipi bilo ya ma? Maybe in English. What does it mean?
ညီမလိုတိတ်ပဲလား
ညီမလိုအင်္ဂလိပ်လိုပြောကြည့်နော် wedge ကဘာလို့တာ
Wedge. It is the same meaning of clock.
the same meaning.
It is the same meaning of clock. CLOCK.
Clock.
And so when you can use watch when you watch the TV.
Yeah. Watch like we can see we seeing something like looking at some movie or but it's not the best word to say to look at the movie. No, not like that, but to watch a movie, but it's like similar like looking at something or looking at the movie or watching like seeing the movie, something like that. No? But not the bad try for looking and seeing, but watching movie is like okay. What mean we watch the movie, we see with our eyes like that. We can explain in English, no? Under mean we already know, no? Under and above like that things. Type kinds of things. How many types? Like I think these are already know. How about I want to choose the word. Do you know the word scrap? What's the word meaning? What's the meaning of the scrap? Do you know the word scrap? Namila, do you remember?
Yeah, I don't know how to explain it.
Yeah, scrap me. We scrap the basin. We clean the basin. We clean it with by using some like soap or like
Wash.
yeah, we wash not the basin. Okay, scrap. We use our hands and we scrub acid products on a specific basin to clean. Okay, to be clean, no? And report, you know the word report, tray, sink. Sink, no? We know the word sink, taxi, the train tracks, scary movie. Okay, that you already know these already know it. Turn right, turn left, go straight. Walk along the river and by choosing the picture, no? You have to choose the correct word. Here, according to the picture, the third picture, walk along the river and what's the best answer? A, B, or C? Is that 10? What? How do you think this one? Hmm? Turn left. Okay, no? So how about number 2? D? D, what? So how do you think? D, call the best. Yes, but not to the museum. Okay, this is your homework. Okay, here's number one. What's next homework? Okay, here only two homework, no? Two homework, and then how do I get to the time store? Where's the time store? Saturday. Oh, here is time store, no? Did you still remember how do you take the direction? How do I get to the time store? First, go. How do you say that? How would you use the word here for the first picture?
My one picture is along the
Okay, go straight along the river or like that. And then,
over the bridge.
yeah, over the bridge. It is tries to, no? And how about number two? How did they get to the movie theater? How did they get? Is it Ruby remember?
By ship.
Pukui?
By the ferry.
Instead of using ship, is there any special word that? Sorry. Sorry, I didn't catch the voice clearly.
Hey, can you hear me?
Yeah. Can you repeat it again?
Oh, yes, I can.
Yeah.
First, cross the bridge and go straight.
Okay. I mean for number two. Did you say for number two?
Oh, no, I didn't. I just said the answer for number one.
Yeah. How about number two? So how about Pukui remember for number
Oh.
two?
Yeah, I don't know.
Ferry.
Sorry, Pukui.
I think Friday ferry.
Right there.
Right ferry.
Sorry, I didn't. Can you spell it on the chat box? Can you just type the word and it's ferry, no? So instead of using ship, we can just say ferry, no? Let's write a ferry to the movie theater. And then and number three, how did they get to the movie? Movie theater is already finished. What do you and your parents have to do? How do you think for number three?
I have to.
I have to read the book.
And my parents.
My parents do too, Bona. Okay, good job. Number four. What can you do on weekends? What's he thinking about?
A party. Make a party.
Like a party? Yeah. You can have a party on weekends. Good job. Listen and write down at. Okay, we will skip this thing. We already learned before. Okay, what can you do? Read the key and write the number. I can talk about direction, transportation, sightseeing. I can be prepared. I can be responsible. These are the things that you can prepare, no? These are the things that is for your responsibility. Is it my responsibility, privilege? 1, 2, 3, 4. Privilege. What's that? It's a responsibility. Why we say privilege as a thing too? Like daily activity. Why they say? Sorry. We can skip some revision exercise. These are not necessary, so let it be. Scale. So shall we just go to the new lesson, but not for today? For next week. Okay, as for the workbook, where are we right now? It's here some children can stay up late on weekends. Actually, with my age, this already finished. For letter D, underline the more of it. We already know more of it, so we skip that one. Letter D. Letter E, sakit the more of it. More of it, you. Sakit sa one me. So I think we already know more of it. F, look at E, write about your school. It's come for you. ဒီစားလို့နံပါတ် F ကိုတော့မဖြစ်မနေလောက်ရမယ်နော်နံပါတ် F ကိုတော့ you must do it about your school. For example, you can read the letter E, the paragraph, and you can imitate some idea from the paragraph, some sentence structure. Or if you can write down any new about your school, you can write down. School have rules that students must remember. Student remember, no? ကျောင်းလေးမှာစည်းကမ်းတွေရှိရယ် that student must remember. must က more than နော်ကျောင်းသားတွေတတိယရမယ် rule တွေရှိမယ်ကျောင်းသားတွေသိရမယ် rule တွေရှိရပေါ့နော် Students can run inside the school. ကျောင်းတွင်းထဲမှာ student တွေကမပြေးရဘူးပေါ့ But sometimes we can play by running outside, no? Inside the school. Maybe not in the classroom, but in the school compound we can run, no? But not like the sentence here. I'm not sure you can change the sentence like about this sentence like okay. You can change according to your school background. They have to walk quietly. They have to walk quietly. I'm not like this point. Maybe in the exam room, they have to walk slowly. But even in their like rest time, they can do it like freely, not damaging themselves, but they can do like comfortably, even if a little bit. The walk is not really quietly. I don't think so. Students should listen carefully to their teacher. That must be enough. Should listen carefully to their teacher, and they must raise their hand when they want to speak. Now is the rule. If you have something to speak, please raise up your hands like that. No? Is the rule to take time one by one. Okay. They can't use their cell phones in school. That's also important. Huh? They can use. They have to focus on the lesson. They cannot play their like mobile games or things like that in the classroom when there's a class time. အတန်းချိန်တွေမှာဖုန်းတွေမသုံးရအောင် game တွေမဆော့ရအောင်အဲ့လိုမျိုးစကားတွေမပြောရအောင်အမိုက်မချရအောင်ဒါတွေအကုန်လုံးကိုယ့်ဘောက်ကိုထွင်ပြီးရေးလို့ရတယ်နော် But they must use them after school အတန်းပြီးရင်တော့အကြောင်းပြီးရင်တော့သုံးလို့ရတယ် Students should always do their homework အိမ်စာတွေကိုလည်းအမြဲလုပ်ရမယ်လုပ်သင့်တယ်ပေါ့နော် Okay, by using these moral verbs and some background of the school, you may know somehow. So just write about your school, okay? So this is also your homework. ဟုတ်ပြီဒါကတော့တခြားအတူတူမနဲ့အနောက်တစ်ပတ်ကျရင် share မယ်နော်ကိုယ့်ရဲ့အကြောင်း share ပေးပါမယ်ဒါလေးကနံပါတ် F လေးရရေးခဲ့ပါအနည်းဆုံး5ကြောင်း6ကြောင်းပေါ့နော်ပုံစံနဲ့နမူနာလေးကိုဒါလေးနဲ့နည်းနည်းယူပြီးစဉ်းစားမယ်ကိုကြိုက်တဲ့ချက်လေးတွေယူမယ်ပေါ့နော်အကောင်လုံး like copy ကူးစရာမလိုဘူးကိုတိတယ်လို့တက်တယ်လို့လေးရေးခဲ့လို့ရတယ်မှန်ပေါ့နော်အမတိချာကိုစစ်စေခြင်းလည်းချာပို့လိုက်လို့ရတယ်ပေါ့နော်ကိုရေးထားတဲ့အဲ့လိုမျိုး6ကြောင်း9ကြောင်းလောက်ပေါ့နော်စစ်ချင်ပေးလို့ရတယ်တိချာအကောင့်ကဒီ Zoom link တင်ထားတဲ့ group မှာပဲအဲ့ Zoom link တင်တာတိချာအကောင့်ပဲပေါ့နော်အဲ့ဒါလေးပေးလို့ရတယ်ဒါလို့စစ်စင်ခြင်းအမကိုဘကိုရေးပြီး sharing လုပ်ခြင်းတန် sharing လုပ်လိုက်ပေါ့နော်နောက်တစ်ပတ်ကြာအဲ့လိုလည်းအဆင်ပြေဒါ writing တော့လည်းကောင်းမယ်နော် sharing လည်းလုပ်ရမယ် that's your duty အိမ်စာရေးလည်းညာနေမှာဆိုလို့ခုနတစ်ခုရယ်ဟိုဘက်က2ခုရယ်ဆိုရင်3ခုပေါ့နော်3ခုလောက်ပဲရှာပေးလိုက်ပါမယ်3ခုလောက်ပဲပေးလိုက်မယ်ဒါလေးတွေကိုစိတ်ထားနော်ဘာလို့ကြာ homework လို့ရေးထားနောက်တစ်ပတ်ကျရင်ဒါတွေပြန်မြင်နေရမှာဒါတွေပြန်မြင်နေရမှာဆိုရင်ရှာနဲ့တူတူပြန်ပြောလို့ရတယ် Okay is there any question for today
No, teacher, I don't have a
No, teacher.
Okay so that's all for today let's call it a day for today